So what's up everybody, welcome to part 3 of the video on logarithmic equation. So today we are going to be doing number 4 question. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and please you can add a comment to maybe educate me on how to improve my video more. So let's start. They said we should solve for x in number 4. Let me position my paper, we also be able to see. We should solve for x. Number 4 question. So we should solve for x in log base 8 bracket 23 x minus 5 is equals to log base 2 4. So when you are solving a question or when you are given a question, you don't rush into the question. First you look at the question and see how you can simplify it to your own understanding. Like, that's the thing about maths. It's just about step by step. It's step by step that you'll be able to use to solve it. So in this question, I'm seeing 2 ways that we can solve it. I'm going to take the first method and take the second method later. So let me take the first method now. So I can use change of base method. I don't know if you have watched the first video. I explained how to apply change of base method into solving logarithmic equation. So let's do it. We have log base 8 and we have log base 2. So we want to make the base the same. We can change log base 8 to log base 2 by doing something like log base 2 bracket 23 x minus 5 over log base 2 8 is equals to log base 2 4 all over 1. So we can also say log base 2 bracket 23 x minus 5 over log base 2 raised to the power of 2, log base 2 raised to the power of 3 is equals to log 2 4. Log 8 changed to 2 raised to the power of 3 because of 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8. So that's just it. So we can say from power law, we have a logarithmic entity raised to the power of a number. We can put this number to this side, just like how power law taught us to do. So let's apply it here. So we can say log 2 bracket 23 x minus 5 over 3 log 2 number 2 is equals to log 2 4 all over 1. So I just applied power law. Like, before you can solve question, you need to understand how to use the laws very well. If you understand how to use the laws very well, I guarantee you all these logarithmic equations will be very easy for you to solve. So we can say log 2 bracket 23 x minus 5 over 3 bracket 1, because of logarithm of the same base is 1. So this is logarithm of base 2 to 2, that is 1. So this equals to log 2 4 all over 1. So 3 times 1 is obviously 3, so we can cross multiply. We have log base 2 bracket 23 x minus 5 is equals to 3 log 2 4. We have successfully done it to have the same base. So now what do we do? We can apply power law again by carrying this 3 over to this, to be raised to the power to this 4. So we have something like this. We have log 2 bracket 23x minus 5 is equals to log 2 4 to the power of 3. So now we have, remember we have like the same base, so they can do justice to each other. We have 23x minus 5 is equals to 4 to the power of 3. So we are looking for our x because it told us to solve for x, remember. So we have 23x minus okay, we can collect like terms. Okay, let me follow the steps. We have 23x minus 5 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64 if I'm not wrong. So we have 23x is equals to 64. We collect like terms, our 5 goes over the equality sign, comes to a plus 5. This 23x is equals to 69. So divide both sides by 23 because we are looking for our x. So we have x is equals to 69 all over 23. So now let's solve let us solve number 4 question using the second method. So number 4 question, let me write out the question. We have log base 8 bracket 23x minus 5 is equals to log base 2 4. So we can solve this like this. We can say, let me put it over so our lighting will be better. You can say log 2 raised to the power of 3, log base 2 raised to the power of 3 bracket 23x minus 5 is equals to log 2 4. We can write it in this form. Then remember, from power of the base, we are going to apply power of the base law into what we have here. Please, if you haven't watched the first video, the part 1 of this video, you need to watch it so you fully understand all the laws, because I went through all the laws over there. So 4. So now we have the same base. That is the first thing you need to do. Like, you need to make sure their base are the same. That's the way to ease out your question. So you need to carry this 1 over 3 over here using our power law application. We apply power law into here, so we can cancel out this our log base 2. So we have log base 2 bracket 23x minus 5 raised to the power of 1 over 3 is equals to log base 2 we have it equals to log base 2 4. So we can cancel this out successfully, leaving us with 23x minus 5 bracket 1 over 3 is equals to 4. Our log base 2 have been cancelled out. I want this 1 over 3, this raised power of 1 over 3 can be written as cube root of 23x minus 5, because due to the laws of indices. So remember, we are looking for x, and our x is held captive by this cube root. So we need to get rid of the cube root by cubing both sides. By cubing both sides. So cube cancel cube root will give us 23x minus 5 is equals to cube root of 4 is 64. We have 23x is equals to 64 plus 5. So we have 23x is equals to 69. And we have x is equals to 69 over 23. So that's what we got here. And so those are the 2 methods you can use to solve that exact question. Please, thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thank you.